Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. If 5x squared plus y squared and minus 4xy and plus 24 smaller and equal 10x minus 1, find the values of expression x squared plus y squared. Do you know how to show this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, it's now this. We have this is inequality. So now I change 10x minus 1 from the right side to the left side. So this we get is equals 5x squared and plus y squared and minus 4xy and plus 24 and minus 10x and plus 1 is smaller or equal 0. And so now this, we must write it to is squares of trinomial or binomial. And so now this, okay, so I can write it for x squares and minus this 4xy and plus y squares. And this for x squared, so is we get x squared and this minus 10x and plus 25 and this 24 and plus 1 equal 25 and this term and this 1 and plus 4 we get 5 and then this term and then this term is smaller and equal 0. And so now this I can write it to 8 all squares and minus these 2 and multiply to 8 and multiply y and plus y squares and plus this we get 8 squares and minus 2 and multiply 8 and multiply 5 and plus 5 square smaller or equal 0. And now this is verify the rule that we have a squared minus 2ab and plus b squared is equal a minus b all squared. And so now we use these formulas. So it's we get this expression 2a and this minus this y all squares plus this is a squared and this array h and minus 5 all squares is smaller and equal 0. But we know that 2h minus y all squares is bigger or equal 0 and h minus 5 all square is also bigger or equal 0. And so then, okay, we get this expression 2h and minus y is equal 0 and this h minus 5 is equal 0 and we get the values of h is equal this we change 5 to the right side we get h is equal 5 and so now this so choose and multiply this we replace by 5 we get 5 and minus y is equal 0 and so this is equal 10 and this we change to the right hand side it's equal y. So now we get the values of x and the values of y. So we get, okay, The value use of expression x squared and plus y squared is equals 5 squared and plus this 10 squared. And this is equal 25 and plus this 100 and equal 125. So thus we get the values of expression x squared and plus y squared is equals 125 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.